I'm so excited because I almost feel like myself today. I feel so good. It feels so good. Oh, it feels so good to feel like me. So let's talk about things that we absolutely love this week. I can't think that there was anything that didn't work for me. To be honest, I haven't been trying quite as much new stuff because I feel like it's getting a little bit overwhelming, because I don't want to just be like, buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this. I want to make sure it's stuff that we love. We know it works. It's innovative. It's just really good stuff. I don't want to be like, here's this, here's this, here's this, here's this. So let's go through it. Do you know what I do want to show you? We've now had the brushes for quite some time, and y'all know that I don't even do comparisons to other brushes. I don't put anybody down. We're just all on a different brush path, and there's room for everybody. But this was interesting, still not being negative, just fascinating, because this used to be one of my favorite brushes of all time, okay? If Rose was doing an eyeshadow look, this was in there, and this is a brand new one still in the package. And it's just been so long. Here, I'm gonna put it up against my face. Since I've seen, do you see this little stray guy here? You see that? And it just feels so different. And I just remember this meaning so much to me. And it's a MAC, I've already forgotten the name because I've been using ours for so long. A 224S, S stands for synthetic, which our brushes are synthetic as well. But it's been so long. Look at this. He's just like, hi. And this one is been beat up, washed, absolutely terrorized. And this is the E28. And it's just interesting. Look at the comparison. Look at it on my forehead. It's so soft. Never looks frayed. Makes me happy. Look at the 217. I'm just gonna put this behind it so you can see it since it's so white. Wow. And that's something that I wouldn't have even noticed. Wow, this brush used to mean so much. Ow, it's poking. Okay, I'm done. Good times. Lots of memories. Reminds me of the mall. Okay, something we're loving, these correctors. I did an entire video. It's on YouTube. I already uploaded it to YouTube. Go watch it. It was so helpful. These are amazing, thin, pigmented, $6, 10 out of a 10. Look how thin they are. Look at that. No ridges. Well, I did a video on that. You'll see what I'm talking about. And I go through how to use each color, what it does, where to put it, why to put it, how to put it. Y'all are gonna love these. I'm gonna get a link. I'm gonna have to get a link in the second video. Hang on, let me stop this. So make sure you watch that video, and then if you're interested and you need a corrector, $6, y'all. So affordable. They're so good. I actually have the green one on my little extraction here already, and then I have my concealer on top. So y'all are gonna love these. I'm so excited for these. Now, something else we're loving are these cream blushes from Yensa. We're gonna use some more. Oh, this color is so pretty. And I don't make a commission, but I just found out I have a code. It's Rose15. That gets you a discount if you want to use it. We're loving these. Y'all are gonna be sick of these. You're gonna be absolutely sick of seeing them. But let me show you the one that I want to use next. I've used all of them, but this color. Of course, it's gonna be the last one I grab. I'm the reason I can't have those things. Yep, there it is. Last one. This one called Berry Passion. That's so pretty. It kind of reminds me of the Clinique Black Honey. I can't wait to try this one on. It's gonna be so pretty. I'm gonna put it right here so I remember to use it. I'm so excited. Listen, I have not ventured out of my home because of the way that I've been feeling, but this concealer, I really like this concealer. Y'all are gonna like this concealer. Very thin, very pigmented. It's a little too light for me. I've just been using cream blushes to kind of adjust it to bring it to where it needs to be. But I still wanna go get my shade. I will eventually. I will. But I want y'all to try it. I really think y'all are gonna like it. If you like a very thin, but you like a very pigmented concealer, very lightweight, you'll like it. The other day, I don't know if y'all remember, but I was talking about white concealer to brighten, to lighten And I went through all my collection, and this was the one that won the competition. This was from Beauty Creations. It's very affordable too. I do have a commission code. That means I'm going to make a small percentage. That code is ROSE. But this is a really nice adjuster. So for this one, if you want to brighten your concealer, you could wear it on top to have a really, really bright under eye. Or if you just want to barely lighten, you could mix this into your concealer to just make it a little bit lighter. So I think y'all like this. We were talking about it. I don't know if y'all remember, but it's really good no matter your skin tone, no matter what. It's really good to have a white concealer. All right, so something I haven't tried yet, but I got excited, and I haven't been excited over eyeshadow palettes in a little while, are these ones from MAC. I'm very excited for these. I don't know if it's just nostalgia or what's going on. Ooh, look at the pigment. That's really pretty. There's just something, I think it might just be nostalgia. So I don't want anybody to just run and grab these. I need to try them first. Ooh, I like that one. Those pretty cool tones. Ooh, I'm excited to do a look with that. And then there's this one, these pretty pinky tones. Look at this. That's beautiful. Ooh, look at that. The formula feels a little updated. And then there was this one too. But I'll be doing looks with these. But I just got excited, and I know that y'all like makeup like I do. That's the makeup. I don't know if y'all heard the makeup gremlin that came through. Look at this color. That's really pretty. Ooh, it's kind of orangey pink. Pretty. So again, I think it might just be nostalgia, but we shall see. I'll keep y'all updated. We'll do a look with these. Ooh, even this all together. That's so pretty. Are these colors that okay, yeah, that is Amber Lights. That's Amber Lights right there, which is just a very classic MAC color. Oh yeah. I don't know, they feel more pigmented and more soft. Oof. I'm excited. Anyways, I don't really know all the names of them, but I'll go get the link and you'll just be able to look at them. There's a cool one, a more pink one. There's a really colorful one, but I didn't get that. These were sent to me, but I'm gonna go buy that colorful one. That's the one that actually interests me the most. Unfortunately, I feel like today's video is gonna be so short because I've just been so indisposed. I do need to try the new Natasha Denona concealers. I still haven't tried them. I want to do powder. I just feel like I'm letting y'all down. I really do. I'm trying my best to get better, but it's slow, y'all. It has been really slow. I will say that there's a color in here. I'm going to swatch it for y'all. I can't remember which one it was. That is just perfect for me. Was it this one? Hang on. No, I don't think it was that one. Probably the ones that are still in here. I think it's R5. Because there's 50 shades. Yep, R5. Look at how perfect that is. I'm so excited for these. Again, I just haven't used them because I can't set them, and I want to just give them all the perfect review that they deserve. But R5 is going to be perfect for me. I feel like that's everything. Thank you all for being patient with me. Remember, next week I'm going to go on a business trip. I'm going to try my best to do my tutorials. I try to stay consistent. But if I'm not able to, I'll keep y'all updated in the stories. And I'm going to be saving everything to YouTube now. We're getting caught back up there. That way you'll be able to reference. You can just go watch that. So much education there. And I love you all. I love y'all so much. I'm excited to post tonight. It's going to be something helpful. I got to go film a video right now. I actually have to film a couple. And I'll see you in the comments tonight. I love you.